Hi guys, I'm back. Now I hope you watched the previous two videos because if you have not, you will not understand this. So let's get to it now. This is annuity, still on financial math part 3. Now annuity, how do you see it? It's either the person will be paying a mortgage, which is a house or whatever, a loan, insurance, or the payment of rent. Now, how do you see annuity? Annuity is paid with equal amounts every month. Equal amounts every month. Now, this is the formula of future annuity, which is S is equals to R and all that. This is the formula of present annuity. Usually, the question will tell you that you are supposed to calculate the future value or the present value. Now, be sure to understand this. Now, the difference between annuity and the compound interest and simple is that R this time is no longer the interest but the number of payments. N is the number of years multiplied by the compounds, and I is the interest rate divided by 100 divided by the number of compounds. I'm speeding this up because I suppose you watched the previous video. Remember from the previous videos that S is the future value and P is your present value. Now take note that these two equations are not the same, so please be careful when it comes to that. Now you are going to go straight into the question. Is this it? From one of my learners on the group chats. So it says, suppose Ben, aged 35, will deposit 400 into his savings account, and every month after that, the saving account pays the interest rate of 18% per annum, which is compounded month. Calculate the amount Ben has on his 50th birthday. Now, as you can see, that on his 50th birthday, we are talking about the future value. So we are going to use future value since it's on his 50th birthday. Right? Good. Minus 1 over I. Ne? Now, what do we have here? We are looking for the value of S, which we do not have. R, the number of payments. How much will this person pay? He will deposit 400 every month. It's 400 into the savings account. And then what else do we have? We have the interest rate of 18%. Ne? So it's I, which is equals to 18. 18 per contra 100 divided by the number of compounds, because since they said compounded monthly, so it's going to be 12. The number of compounds is equals to 12 since it's monthly. Go back to the previous videos if you do not understand. Now, the number of years. When it comes to the number of years, they say Ben is age 35 now, and how much will it be when it's 50? So since we do not know the number of years, we're going to say 50 years, which is the final year, minus 35. I suppose it's going to be 15 years. Now this is the number of years multiplied by the number of compounds, which will be 12. Ne? Now let's do this. I hope okay, good. So it's going to be, let me just show you this, 50 minus 35, 15, and then it's 15 times the number of compounds, which is 12, which will give us 180. Ne? Good. Now when we go back, we are going to substitute everything into our equation. So S is equals to R 400 multiplied by whatever is in the brackets, 1 plus I. Where's our I? did not calculate the value of I. Why? I don't know. So it's going to be 18 divided by 100, which is 0.18, and that divided by the number of compounds, which is 0.015. Be sure to calculate all of this before you even attempt to substitute anything. Ne? Yeah, so it's going to be 0.015, all that to the power n, which is 180 minus 1 over I. No, I, we do know our I, which is 0.015. So we're going to punch all of that into our calculator. So it's going to be 400, since we are not doing anything of 400. It's going to be 1. I don't have a scientific calculator, so please use a scientific calculator because it's going to be easier for you to use one. And to the power 180, or that minus 1, it's going to be 13.58 over 0.015. And then it's going to be equal to, now we are going to do this, so it's going to be 13.58 divided by 0.015. Did I get it right? Yeah, it's that, multiplied by 400, and then it's going to be 362,133. So if he deposits 400 every month at the interest rate of 18%, this is the amount of money, the future value Ben will have after 15 years. That's just about it regarding annuity. Now, all I want you to be careful with is that, are they asking for the future value or the present value? But the question will be clear. So please be careful, because it looks so much like a compound interest, but be careful that you check if it's mortgage, loan, insurance, or payment of rent. If it's any one of these, you calculate it using annuity. If not, then it's compound interest. Got it? Good. Now if you want to watch more of our videos, follow our group on Facebook, which is EduSpot South Africa. And our YouTube channel is EduSpot South Africa. Make sure you click the subscription button. It's for free. Subscribe and invite your friends to watch it, because the more the merrier. Don't be selfish with information. That's about it regarding annuities, future and present. So this was your boy Mpumelelo Ndlebe, the pretty faces. Peace out and